Right, we are in Denmark, so let's try some handheld dogma style video recording. Here is a Raspberry Pi on the right and a BBC microbit on the left, and a nice big monitor. And if I now start Dialog APL, up comes the session. I will load the Morse Code example from the microbit folder that I have checked out from GitHub. I'm going to cheat a bit and reuse what I typed there, since I'm only typing with one hand. I have to initialize the Morse code generator from a text file that contains the definitions. And now I am ready to display some Morse code using the LEDs. And we'll use something classical that everybody will be able to recognize. So here we go. Hit enter. It works.